Breaking. Onyeze Jesus, Akwa Ọkụkọ Eke, and Eke hit arraigned at Federal High Court Awka over alleged Eat rituals. Jedit Anambra Broadcasting Service, ABS, in a high-profile case that has gripped public attention across Anambra State, popular native doctors Onyeze Jesus, Akwa Ọkụkọ Eke, and Eke Hit were arraigned at the Federal High Court in Awka on charges relating to their alleged involvement in the controversial Eat rituals. These charges, if proven, could earn them up to 20 years in prison under Nigerian law. The Federal High Court premises witnessed tight security and a flurry of media activity as the accused, identified officially as Onyebuchi Okocha, Onyeze Jesus, Chidozie Nwangu, and Ekene Igbo Ekwezi, Ekit, made their appearance in court. According to reports by the Anambra Broadcasting Service, ABS, the matter was presided over by Honorable Justice Jude Obiora, who adjourned the case to the 11th of April 2025 to allow for proper service and arraignment of the defendants. The court emphasized the need to ensure that due process is followed and that the accused are granted adequate time to prepare their defense. Following the court session, counsel to the defendants, Barrister Remigus Okoli, spoke with reporters. He described the state's approach as a ploy to remand the accused without fully complying with constitutional provisions for fair hearing. Proper service and adequate preparation are fundamental rights enshrined in the Constitution, Okoli said, insisting that the law supports their position. Efforts by journalists to get a statement from the state's legal team, led by FC Okeke, were unsuccessful at the time of filing this report. This case marks a critical moment in Anambra State's renewed efforts to curb ritual-related crimes and what the government sees as the abuse of traditional institutions for criminal purposes. Stay with NjenjeMedia News for continuing coverage as the trial unfolds.
Okay.
Yes, country people, today is a special day where Anambra State government will arraign popular native doctors in the state, Akwa Ọkụkọ Eke, Onyeze Jesus, and Eke Hit. As we see from what has happened, we are already in court and the way government will arrange today are already headed to court. People will love them, friends and well wishers. Okay, good morning viewers. Today being 4th April 2025 is a special day for the arraignment of suspected criminal native doctors in Anambra State, Akwa Ọkụkọ Eke and Onyeze Jesus by the Anambra State government. The time is 11 o'clock, and as you can see from activities in and around the court premises, lawyers are getting ready and other interest parties. A peek inside the courtroom shows journalists are already seated, while a few prison vehicles are already parked inside the court. We are yet to establish whether the suspected native doctors are in court, but then in the fullness of time we will get to know more about this.
Shit, let me get my shit.
In the heart of the city where stories unfold, NjenjeMedia TV shining bright and bold, bringing news from the corners of the